On that note, no reports of damage to assets or federal roads have been received so far following the 6.8 magnitude earthquake that struck Sabah on Sunday. Works Minister Dato Sri Alexander Natalingi said his ministry, however, is always prepared and closely monitoring the situation periodically. After officiating the launch of the Construction Action Plan 2026-2030, Nata said Malaysia also adopted building design code standards to enhance structural resilience against earthquake disasters.
Kod ni saya fahamkan sejak Malaysia sudah we adopt the Malaysian National Annex to Euro Code 8 iaitu 2015 MSEN 1998 2015, design of structures for earthquake resistance in the late 2017.
Yesterday, a strong 6.8 magnitude earthquake struck Sabah waters at about 1 a.m. but did not pose any tsunami threat. Meteorological Department Director General Dr. Muhammad Hisham Muhammad Anip informed that the earthquake, which was centered 49 kilometers west of Kudat, did not pose any tsunami threat, but it was the strongest ever recorded in the country in 11 years.